Hi there, I'm Diane from wocket.co.uk and I'm just going to show you how to make a simple ring with a cage edit tool. So if we start off, we'll go to the circle, click from the corner, actually put the grid snap on first of all, click from the corner. I'm going to make that diameter of 22 mils, which is already in there, done. Okay, from that circle I'd like to extrude it. So we go to the solid toolbar, extrude planar curve, straight, and I'm going to give it a measurement of 1.5 mils on both sides. Click OK. Now I've changed the perspective view so that is in render mode rather than wireframe, which you can find on the view, wireframe, turns it back, view, shaded, and you'll see that as a three-dimensional object. Now from that I'd like to apply the cage edit. Now for that, if you go along to transform, cage editing, cage edit. Okay, select captive objects, select that one, done. We'll do a bounding bots, done, done. Okay, now here we have a disc which we're just going to play about for a minute and pull about some of these points which will make it go into different shapes. So I'm just going to pull about that one, and you see it just at the moment it arcs over, which you can see on there. So we can pull up some of the other points along here, cage point, and just make a very interesting shape just by playing about with it. I'll take that one back, pull that one out there, pull that one out, see what that one does, another one there, another one there. We just pull this one, make it a little bit more curved. Maybe we'll take that back a little bit, pull that up, pull this one down, we'll just pull that one, and you just fiddle about with it until you really got something that you feel, oh that's fun, I like that. Okay, so just move that one in a bit there, move that one, that one. Okay, so we've got quite a bizarre looking ring, but for intents and purposes that will do absolutely fine. So from there, what I'm going to do is take out the finger hole. So again, if we go to your circle, let's bring back in that middle there, and for this purpose I'll make it a diameter of 19 mils. Okay, now from there again we'll extrude it, extrude planar curve along straight. I will make it much bigger this time. If you look on this one, it shows you exactly where it is, so you've got kind of tube going through the middle. Okay, from there I want to cut the tube out of the outer ring. So to do that we go along to solid, difference, select surfaces to subtract from, done. Select the poly surfaces to subtract with, that one which we just did. Okay, so now we have a funky shaped ring with a hole cut out of the middle. Okay, so now I'm just going to curve these little inside edges, so I'll do that with the fillet edge tool. So if you go down to solid again, fillet edge, and I'm going to give it a diameter of 1 mils. I'm going to select the top inner and the bottom inner by holding the shift bar down. Done, done. Okay, let's just round those corners. It will fit very nice on your finger now. Now I'm just going to hollow out front, but there's lots of ways to do it. This is quite a fun way as well. If you just click on it, go to edit, copy, edit, paste, then we have an exact copy of what you had before. Now what I want to do is just shrink that down and kind of place it inside a ring. So if you go to your transform tool, you have scale, scale 3D, origin point, click about there, click about there, and now we can move it up and down and make it bigger and smaller. So actually we'll take the grid snap off for this one so it doesn't jump about so much. So I'm going to make it smaller than the first one, and done. Drag it in to the original ring, fiddle about so it's in there, fit in quite neatly. Look at all your views and make sure it's not going to be cutting through the outside. Okay, right, so now I want to take the inside ring from the outside ring. I mean, it'll be less silver in there, it will be lighter to wear. So again, if we go along to our solid difference, click on the one to subtract it from, which is our main ring, and the one to subtract it with, which is the inside ring. And we click done, and magically that has hollowed out that inner front piece, which will make it a lot lighter to wear on your hand. And of course you can make any shape what you want, you can fiddle about for hours. Just get used to the cage editing tools. It takes a lot of practice and a lot of control. And if we go to view, rendered, you'll see it very much like a three-dimensional ring. Okay, well thank you for watching. I'm Diane from wocket.co.uk. I'm going to put a few videos on here every now and again. Please subscribe, and thank you very much.